Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Discord on your Mac. It's actually a very simple process. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Search for Discord. You'll want to click on the top link, or for even easier access, just click the link in the description below this video. This will take you to the Discord homepage. To download Discord, simply scroll down. The website should automatically detect that you're on a Mac, and you'll see a Download for Mac button. Click that button. Now, save the installer to your Mac. I'm going to save it to my desktop for easy access. Now, to use Discord, you'll need an account. If you don't have one yet, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Discord website. In the footer, you'll find a Sign Up button. Click that. On the Sign Up page, just enter your information and follow the step-by-step process to create your Discord account. Alright, once you've signed up and downloaded the installer, go ahead and open it up. A pop-up menu like this should appear. All you need to do is drag and drop the Discord icon into your Applications folder. As you can see, I already have Discord installed, so I'm going to click Replace, but yours should automatically install to the Applications folder. Once you've done that, you can exit out of the pop-up menu and delete the Discord installer folder. With the installer deleted, go ahead and open up the Discord application. Your Mac might ask if you're sure you want to open the application. Just click Open. Discord will then do a few application updates. Once those are completed, Discord should open up on your Mac, and you'll be greeted with a login screen. Just go ahead and log in with the information you used when you created your account. And that's it. You can now start successfully using Discord just as you normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching FixZone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.